Lock your doors, be small. Yeah. Yo, I'm a bad rapper slash mixer and master, clipping and faster. Capacity of the clip is slipping and faster. I'm coming clubbing and he suck up with a club it. I love it, talking trash about all the rubbish where it's born. I'm only what the fans depict. Match will get you freaking lit just like a candle wick. And man, I'm wicked, but the rhyme's all about the stilo. Don't know what that means, but I'm all about the stilo. And see bro, I go beast mode up in the East Coast. Got dreams of doing cheap shows to be up in a BCO. I'm getting ahead of my time, yes I'm ahead of my rhyme. Take it a letter at a time, cause my mind in a process. Without a pen I'm just a hot mess, but you ain't got a head of cognitive comprehensibility to even comprehend what I said. It's 1:40. I'm freaking done, shorty. Don't worry about me rambling on, cause I'll be done shortly. My rhymes are hotter than the sun sporting, combined with a blunt stored heat. That's it for the night. Hope you enjoy that 16. I'm back tomorrow for day 141. Yeah, you guys saw it first. Have a great night.